Are you a cat? Okay, no fish today. It is mutton bones. You will love it. There are some traditional recipes which are like a delicacy. Today we are going to make one of them, and this is a kind of dalcha. For this preparation, we are not going to use the regular nice meat. We are going to use like the cartilage. You know, when you cut the chicken, you get this plastic like thing. This is from the cartilage from the lamb, and also these chewable bones. You know, a lot of people, they just throw it away, but this is excellent, especially when you slightly overcook it and then, you know, cook it with dal and vegetables that get mashed. Even in lot of cooking, even in Parsi cooking, we make mutton dalcha, but this is like we make soups, rasams, and also dalcha. For this, I am going to take this all juicy bones, you know, chewable bones, along with this cartilage. Along with that, I am going to add some chana dal that has been soaked, add water to this, add, you know, clove, bay leaf, cinnamon, maybe a little bit of salt. Let's cook this for 4-5 whistles. This all will become soft, and in the meanwhile I am going to cook all the vegetables together, and this is going to be super tasty. Now we are going to cook the vegetables. So add some oil in the pan. In this we are going to add onion. We are going to saute it for a minute, and in this we are going to add some shallots. Also I have some turmeric. In this we are going to add ginger garlic paste and saute the ginger garlic paste little bit. We are going to add vegetable one after another. I have got some, you know, brinjal along with the water I added, no problem. Pumpkin pieces. This is yellow cucumber. Now in this you can add water, add tomatoes. Basically a dalcha is a sambar like thing, but with nice meaty flavor. We are cooking it separately because I want the cartilage to be nice and soft, the bones, all the juices to come out, so that, you know, literally nothing is wasted. When you eat it, the bones literally you chew them in. In this we are going to add some chili powder, green chili, coriander powder, add mint, some coriander leaf, and I am going to add a little bit of tamarind juice once the vegetables are almost cooked. You know, vegetables are half cooked. In this we are going to add tamarind juice. We are going to add some garam masala. Our mutton, the cartilage and the bones are also cooked, so we are going to add them now. We are going to add the stock and the dal, everything. I have got some toor dal which I have already cooked. I am going to add some of the toor dal. If you want to add masoor dal also, you can add. So mix all of this. We are going to let this cook till this gets slightly thickening, and we will adjust the salt. I need to add some more. Add salt. We are going to cook till the nice aroma comes out and slightly thickens, and we are going to serve it with ghee rice. For the dalcha, we are going to make some ghee rice. So this is going to be very plain ghee rice. Some peppercorn. In this we are going to add bay leaf, some cinnamon stick, clove. In this we are going to add rice. This basmati rice, I have just soaked it for like 15 minutes, and I am just going to let it fry a little bit in the ghee. Don't mix it too much, otherwise it will get broken. In this we are going to add water. For 1 cup of rice you are going to add 2 cups of water, but make sure you add salt and taste the salt. This water is tasty, your rice will be tasty. Add the salt water. We are going to let this cook till much of the moisture is absorbed, and once mix the rice and again put the lid on and let it slightly settle down, and then we are going to serve it with our dalcha. When the rice is moisture is almost getting over, mix it one time and put the lid on. You know, this will make sure that the rice is nice and perfect. So another 2-3 minutes, the ghee rice will be ready along with the awesome dalcha. The shallots, vegetables, everything is kind of, you know, mashy. Even the cartilage, everything is perfectly cooked, and when you eat it, nothing is left out. Beautiful dalcha with all these bones, the vegetables, everything, and outstanding. Little bit of chana dal here and there, sprinkle some chopped coriander, this is ready to serve. There is another thing I need to tell you. In the hotels, what we do is we usually have flavored oils like the chili oil. What I am going to put it on this dalcha. So this one gives that nice little extra kick. I am also having curry leaf oil, which I am going to put it on the ghee rice. So here my ghee rice is nice, hot and ready. So whenever you cook the rice, it should be this good, and when you eat, you always serve really nice hot rice. And if you want to flavor it with little bit curry leaf flavor, just some curry leaf oil on top. That will give that extra nice punch. Here is a gooseberry, and I am getting those goosebumps with this gooseberry cat. Are you a cat? Okay, no fish today. It is mutton bones. You will love it. The rice, everything is ready. All you need to do is dalcha. And in Hyderabad, we make kaddu ka dalcha and all that, but this is like a delicacy with the bone. And keep pouring these meat bones on top. This is full flavorful. Wow. These bones make this sambar like dish really like just out of the world. Excellent. And even these cartilage pieces literally melt in your mouth. Oh, very hard. Little bit of the crunch. Dear friends, keep cooking some awesome food, and when you eat the best of the best food, keep saying Vareva, because this is absolutely boomba boomba. Wow magic with Chef Mani.